Hi everyone. In this session we're going to learn about an important tool called an engineer's scale. This tool helps engineers and designers make drawings and plans. Let's explore how it works. An engineer's scale is a special ruler. It's not like a regular ruler. It has different scales on it. A scale is a way to show measurements that are larger or smaller than the real size. Here are some key words to know. Ruler, a tool used to measure length or draw straight lines. Scale is a system of ratios used to show different sizes on a drawing. An engineer's scale usually has ratios like 1 to 10, 1 to 20 or 1 to 50. These ratios help to convert measurements. To convert means to change something into a different form or size. Let's look at an example. If you see a line that is 2 centimeters long on the scale with a ratio of 1 to 50, it means the actual length is 50 times bigger. So 2 centimeters on the drawing represents 100 centimeters in real life. There are two basic steps to using an engineer's scale. Step 1 is to measure. So use the scale to find out the size on the drawing. And then you need to convert. You use the ratio to find the actual size. For example, if your drawing shows 3 centimeters with a 120 scale, you multiply 3 centimeters by 20. That means the real size is 60 centimeters. Engineers use this tool to create accurate plans and blueprints. A plan is a detailed drawing of a project, and a blueprint is a detailed and scaled version of the plan. That's this session finished. Now you know what an engineer's scale is and how to use it. Remember, it's a special ruler with scales to help us see and measure things accurately. To improve your speaking and vocabulary, why not do the exercises below? Thanks for watching and keep learning.